after reading going to the doctor, we have a follow-up activity. We have to prepare our children when they go to the doctor, right? You could create a social story and tell them what's going to happen. They're expected to go to the doctor. You could get like special bag, decorate it, and tell him what he needs. Or her. Hand sanitizer. Nowadays, we need hand sanitizer for everything, right? I like this one because it's a spray hand sanitizer. It's fast. You just spray it and you're done, right? You must tell him that he or she needs to wear her mask at all times and keep 6 feet away. When you go into the doctor, they're going to weigh the child. They're going to take the temperature of the child. They're going to measure the child's height. But also, at home, you could create this little baggie to have it at home. You need gloves. You need Q-tips. You need cottons. You need your mask, hand sanitizer, and just keep it in there in your little first aid kit. You could create your own first aid kit. You could create your own first aid kit and keep it at home for an emergency. Even you could create a first aid kit and keep it with you when you go to the doctor. And keep your mask, gloves, cottons, Q-tips, hand sanitizer. And you can take some crayons. So when your child is waiting in the waiting room, there's like a paper that they put on the little bed for you to sit down. It looks like butcher paper. You could take some crayons and they could color while they wait, so they won't be nervous or they won't be thinking about it or they won't be touching things that they're not supposed to. I always take crayons with me. It's a great activity. And the better activity is creating your own first aid kit, paper bag that you have at home. And whatever you have at home, just put it in the bag. But you know, the best and the most important one is your mask. All right. Well, I hope you can create this at home. And I hope you have enjoyed your story. And thank you so much for listening. Until next time.